Ekal run.
And now we're going to start Zumba. Okay guys, once again I hope you enjoyed this Zumba. Are you enjoyed or not? So right now we would like to welcome our honorable speaker, Delhi Legislative Assembly, श्री विजेंद्र गुप्ता जी. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का, श्री विजेंद्र गुप्ता. Honorable Speaker, Delhi Legislative Assembly, एकल युवा भारत लोक शिक्षा परिषद present our APL Apollo एकल रन 2.0, एक और शिक्षा की ओर, powered by SMC, Money Bee Boys, and our platinum sponsor है बीकानेर वाला cultural food cakes. साथ ही हमारे gold sponsor है AG Organica and Globe Money Must Grow, Janko, Rich Look and Wonder Tree. Sponsor Surya Snapper, media partner Punjab Kesri and Ekal Bharat Media.
Ekal Parivar SMT. Ekal Parivar Go. 5 kilometer fun run.